Okay, hey guys, sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. It's Hurricane, Sandy right now. Let's fix this real quick. Water's gotta go down in there. It's raining pretty hard out. It's been going on since yesterday. School's closed today. We're in Fredericksburg, Virginia right now. See just that rain coming down. See that? This is crazy. Look at the ditch. That's why I like having the TX10. It's got good zoom and it's waterproof. I don't like submerging it in water because the microphone gets messed up, but I sometimes will submerge it in water for you guys. I haven't done it in a while though, but you can see how it's awful. It's freezing out. It's just awful. I'm soaked already. Actually, no cars are coming because I don't want to see them see me out here. Look at this water dip coming through. Yeah. Crazy, isn't it? Ouch. We're in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Hurricane Sandy. I'm out.